back and you're opening your chest. And 4. Good. There you go. You want to stretch it. And 2. And squat. 1. And up. And 2. And up. 3. Work the hands. All right. Come on. Big quad. Quadzilla. Up. Watch Richard here. Step up high. Right there. Step back. Make sure you keep your shoulders and your back. Up. Nice. Up. 6. There you go. 7. I'm with you. There you go, Rich. Straight back. Right there. Watch that. Waist walk. You see that? Right there. Whatever it takes. Whatever it takes. That's right. Stretch it. Squeeze. There you go. Almost there. It's nothing. 45 seconds. Nothing. 3, 2, stop. There you go. Almost there. Almost there. Keep going. Don't stop. Feeling it. And 3. There. Strong. I'm with you. Come on. Finish it. Let's go. You got 4. Come on. 3. Anyway. Stop for me. Hydrated. Relax. You guys doing amazing. You see that knee? It's a deep breath. Right there. Switch it out the side. Stand up.